Question 2. The question is, construct triangle ABC in which BC is 8 centimeter, angle B 45 degree and AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, again, just like question 1, you are given base BC and angle is also known. So first we will draw it. Here, draw a line segment of 8 centimeter using your scale, because we are given BC as 8 centimeter. So marking one point here and at 8 centimeter the another point I am marking. Now joining these two. Here the segment is of 8 centimeter, marking and writing its length. Again, at B, we are supposed to draw angle of 45 degree. Here the point is known. Put your protractor and mark at 45 degree. This is 40 and 45 degree. Okay, here I am going to join this point with the B. Joining the two. Okay, this angle is 45 degree. Now on this ray, mark a point such that it is equal to 3.5 centimeter, which is the difference of the two sides here on this ray. So using the scale, 3.5 centimeter is to be marked. Here I am putting it at B and measuring 3.5 centimeter. See, this is 3.5. Okay, naming this point somewhat D. Now join this C and D. Joining C and D. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of this CD. Okay, so how to draw the perpendicular bisector? We open our compass more than half of the segment. CD is there, so we will be opening the compass more than half of CD, then putting at C, drawing two arcs. Same with the D. Now you can very easily see that the two arcs from these 2 points are intersecting at these 2 points. Join the two such that it intersects the ray BX. Here I am joining these 2 points. Also extending this ray BX. Now see, these two are intersecting here and we will name the point as A. Also join A and C. This point is C, this point is A. I am joining A and C. So the triangle ABC is the desired triangle. Okay, just see the justification. As it is the perpendicular bisector of CD, therefore AD and AC will be equal in length. Correct? Any point of the perpendicular bisector of any line segment is equidistant from its two ends. So A and D is equal, distance between A and D is equal to distance between A and C. AD is equal to AC. Also, this total AB is equal to AD minus DB, correct? AD minus DB. But as this is equal to AC, putting it here, sorry, it was AD plus DB. So putting the value of AD here, you can check AB minus AC is equal to DB, and this DB was already, you have marked it at 3.5 centimeter. Remember, 45 degree you had drawn, and then here you have marked it. So here the construction is justified.